The Pimax VISION 8KX is finally in mass production. More than 200 units has already been shipped out to the first 8KX backers, and some of them has already arrived. If you are one of the lucky guys being an 8KX backer since the Kickstarter days, I bet you will see your package being shipped and hopefully delivered to your front door at any day now, or at least during the month of July. So while many of you out there are waiting for the delivery, or maybe you just still haven't made up your mind to order one, let's spend a few minutes by checking out the quick unboxing of the final version of the VISION 8KX and see what's inside. The final 8KX comes now in a brand new and fancy box that includes both the VR headset as well as the new modular audio strap. The new box is slightly larger than the previous ones used by Pimax, and it's also conveniently portable thanks to the attached grip handle. Moreover, the carefully designed and fully padded Pimax box gives your headset a much safer travel during delivery all the way from our factory. All Pimax VISION 8KX comes with a 5-meter long cable, which is a 3-in-1 solution including one DisplayPort and 2 full-sized USB cables. The headset does not need any external power adapter, as the 5-volt power needed to operate the headset is transferred through the dual USB interface. The first batches of the VISION 8KX, which are currently being shipped, includes the standard modular audio strap that uses powerful off-air speakers in a rather small form factor. These speakers project the audio towards you and around your ears with spatial 3D depth, similar to how Oculus Quest and other headsets does, while you can still hear your environment outside of VR. Once the mass production of the deluxe modular audio strap begins in the month of August, there is of course enough of room in the box already to include the deluxe modular audio strap speakers instead. Well, at least if you go for the deluxe audio upgrade on top of your VISION 8KX order or your Kickstarter 8KX pledge. Maybe the biggest improvement of the modular audio strap over the previous soft strap bundle with Pimax is the comfort. Thanks to the modular audio strap, the headset is now well balanced on your head, making it feel extremely lightweight and easy to wear for many continuous hours while playing your favorite VR games. In fact, the modular audio strap fits everyone from adults to youngsters thanks to the easy adjustable strap mechanics and the soft padding that covers the inside. Also bundled with the VISION 8KX is the Comfort Kit that introduces a new plastic and removable face cowling design, which mainly improves the face comfort over the previous Pimax design. The Comfort Kit bundled in the VISION 8KX box also includes 2 different versions of the face foams or face cushions, made in a very soft and durable material. The standard face foam version, which is a bit thicker, is roughly 18mm in total and has cutouts for the glasses on each side. It's specifically made for those of you that wear glasses while being in VR, and also for people who prefer slightly more distance between their eyes and the lenses. The thinner version of the face foam is roughly 12mm in thickness and do not have the cutouts for glasses. This thinner foam also helps your eyes to get closer to your lenses, which in many cases can enhance the field of view, it can help correcting or removing any kind of distortion, and also improve the overall image clarity. Whichever face foam version works better for you is totally individual from person to person, and by trying out both of them, you will quickly determine what face foam will be your favorite as the daily driver. Apart from the improvements made by the new audio strap and comfort kit, the new VISION 8KX is dressed with a blue RE housing, also called ruggedized housing. The new housing has a special layer of rubber and plastics that gives the entire headset a more premium look and feel. Meanwhile, it's also made to be more rigid and protects the headset surface from scratches, cracks or damage, even if you drop it or if you in any way hit it with a controller by accident. The VISION 8KX has both mechanical and software IPD adjustment, and it's utilizing the same custom lenses as the previous Pimax headsets, which are specifically made for the unique Pimax wide field of view, up to 200 degrees diagonally or 170 degrees horizontally. The wide field of view is mainly what makes the Pimax headsets so unique and sets them apart from the other VR brands and models. The new Vision 8KX is currently the only consumer-grade VR headset on the market today, having a wide field of view and a native 4K per eye resolution without any visible screen door effect. Additionally, the 8KX also have full support for upcoming optional and modular accessories such as the 7-in-1 eye tracking and the Ultra Haptics hand tracking, which both will be available for purchase from July 2020, in other words, later this month. The eye tracking will support dynamic foveated rendering out of the box on driver level and support the vast majority of all VR games and experiences available today, and it will also use your eye movement for interaction and other tasks in VR games and applications that supports it. The hand tracking, which is based on the former Leap Motion platform and SDK, has now a wide field of view even beyond the Pimax large field of view and will let you use your hands in most VR games and experiences that has built-in hand tracking interaction support. I personally believe that all this makes the Pimax Vision 8KX the ultimate VR headset, not only for experienced VR enthusiasts, but also for beginners just starting off with VR, especially for those of you out there that expects the highest level of image quality, the widest field of view possible on consumer level product, and specifically for those of you that want to get a VR experience that finally makes virtual reality what we always expected it to be, simply realistic. As a full-time employee of Pimax that helped the team to make the Vision 8KX become reality and a final product, I would like to say thank you for your support and patience, and thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Vision 8KX videos coming up, such as how to get started with your Pimax, how to optimize the 4K per eye image quality and resolution and performance in VR games, and much more.